everybody, this is Ms. Ladd, and I noticed that a lot of you folks are having trouble with your formats. So as long as it's not too big, you should be able to save your PSB, like boy, files as PSD, like dog files. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. File, save as. So see here where it says PSB, and then it says large format PSB. Think of PSB as Photoshop big. Okay, that's not the right format. I want a Photoshop document. That's the D, document. So then we just save it. If it's small enough to be a Photoshop document, if it's not forced into being a Photoshop big file because it is so incredibly large, you could just change the format type from large document format to Photoshop. And that's what I'm asking for you. So save, and that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy rendering, everyone.